Ìpolówó, ìpolówó, ìpolówó. Kí ni ìpolówó? What is ìpolówó? Right, the word ìpolówó is broken down to ìpe, dòre, ìpe, olówó, re, mi. And the word ìpe olówó is coming from the word pè. Right? Pè is to call. Call. Pè. So that's why you say, pè mí, call me, call me. Ṣé o máa pè mí? Will you call me? So, pè is call. So, ìpe. Ìpe. This ìpe. Ìpe is the act of calling or calling. Oh, mi ò rí ìpè ẹ. I didn't see your call. Ṣé o pè mí? Did you call me? Right. Mo fẹ́ gba ìpè ẹ. I want to receive your call. So, ìpè is the act of calling or calling. Olówó. Olówó is coming from the word. Olówó, re, mi. It's coming from the word oni, owó, which further can be said to be ẹni tí, re, mi, ó ní owó. Ẹni tí ó ní owó, which translates to mean ẹni is a person that has money. So owó is money, right? So olówó is the person, someone who has money. So olówó. So a rich person is called olówó, right? So when you then say ìpe olówó, ìpe olówó, the act of calling on someone who has money, right? That's where you get the word ìpolówó from. You know, I told you, when you have two vowels following each other, one of them is not needed, especially the one with the consonant, the left-hand consonant. So when you take this off, then it becomes ìpolówó, and that is advertisement or advertisement in English. Ìpolówó, advertisement or advertisement. And to advertise is polówó. So the act of calling who has money. So you want to sell something, you want to advertise, it means you want to call on who has money. Right. So mo fẹ́ polówó, I want to advertise. In other words, I want to call on anyone who has money to come and buy. Right. Oh, o nílò ìpolówó, you need advertisement. That means you need people that has money. So ìpolówó, advertisement. To polówó is to advertise. Then you can ṣe ìpolówó, which means you can do advertisement. Right? So ṣe ìpolówó, ṣe plus ìpolówó, do, re, mi, ṣe ìpolówó. That means to do advertisement. Mo fẹ́ ṣe ìpolówó. Right. So you can say ìpolówó ọjà. Ọjà is market, goods, where. Right. So mo fẹ́ polówó ọjà mi. I want to advertise my goods. I want to advertise my wares. Right. Ìpolówó, advertisement. To advertise. Polówó. That means pé olówó. That means call the person or someone or anyone who has money. Why don't you want to advertise? Kí ló dé tí o fẹ́ polówó? Why don't you want to call someone who has money to come buy? Right? Àbí kí ló dé tí o fẹ́ ṣe ìpolówó? Why don't you want to do the act of calling someone who has money? Right. Okay, can you use it in 5 sentences? I want 5 sentences with ìpolówó or ṣe ìpolówó. Let's see what you have. Boom.
eayoruba.com